Hi and welcome to my latest developing product. This is a learning management system or LMS platform that I am doing here. As you can see, it's quite beautiful. I named it Chigu. It can be customized for any type of e-learning platforms, the LMS platform. I will show you how it looks in mobile view as well. So leverage your child's education. You can put all your marketing stuff here on the landing page, request a callback, and you can put a video here. What's the video you want to put for promoting your channel? You can put here. And what are the benefits of e-learning system that you provide? So anybody want to make a LMS dedicated platform, you can contact me, request a call. We can customize this. So let us look at the menu here. I have put a few menus here. Home, become a teacher, checkout. If students want to enroll, they can check out. We can integrate any banks to pay here. We can use PayPal, we can use Stripe. Any type of integration is possible, and the course details. So let us look at how it looks like in a mobile phone. You can see here the classes. Try the class. It looks so beautiful. So if anybody want a dedicated learning management system, you can contact me. I will leave my WhatsApp number at the footer so that you can contact me. So it's very nice and good. Thank you for watching my short video.